Sairam children, welcome back to the session revision part 2. So in the previous class we had started with our revision, isn't it? Lesson number 1, landforms of the world. So today we will continue with the lesson. So before moving to the next topic, let's quickly recall. So in the previous class we had learned these 4 topics, that is landforms, mountains, valleys and passes. So children, what are landforms? Yes, the different features that make up the Earth's surface are called landforms. Okay, what are mountains and hills? And what is the main difference between a mountain and a hill? Yes, mountains and hills are rocky masses of land that rise higher than the surroundings. Then what is the difference? Yes, mountains have very steep slopes and high peaks, whereas hills are smaller and lower. Okay, what is a valley? The lowland between hills or mountains is called a valley. What are passes? Yes, mountains have low, natural and narrow gaps called passes. Now our next topic is plateaus. So children, you had learned this lesson, isn't it? So what is a plateau? Yes, a large area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. Now we will see the definition. Yes, a large area of land that is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top is known as a plateau. And the Deccan Plateau in the South India, which is in South India, it covers the entire Indian peninsula. Can you recollect, children? Can you recollect it? Yes, the Deccan Plateau, which is in South India, covers the entire Indian peninsula. Okay, now tell me, which is the highest plateau in the world? Which is the highest plateau in the world? Yes, the Tibetan Plateau in the Himalayas is the highest plateau in the world. So it is known as the roof of the world. This is the picture of Columbia Plateau, and this is the Colorado Plateau. These two plateaus are in the USA. Okay. Our next topic is plains. So children, what are plains? Yes, plains are flat lands with gentle slopes. Rivers flowing from the mountains. From where do rivers get water? From where do rivers get water? You had learned, isn't it? Yes, rivers are fed with water by the melting snow in the Himalayas. So rivers flowing from the mountains What do they bring with them? Yes, rivers flowing from the mountains bring fertile soil to the plains. So, if the soil is fertile, the crops can grow well. That is why the plains are thickly populated areas in the world. Example, the northern plains of India, the prairies of the USA produce large amounts of wheat and other grains. Is that clear? So, our next topic is deserts. So, children, what are deserts? Yes, deserts are large, extremely dry areas of land. So, what about the rainfall? Yes, there is a very little rainfall and only few plants can grow here. And what about the temperature? Deserts have extreme temperatures. That is, in summer, the days are hot and nights are cool. And in winters, the days are cool and the nights are cold. Now we'll see some important deserts of the world. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is the biggest desert in the world. The Kalahari Desert in Southern Africa. The Atacama Desert in South America. And this is the Thar Desert in India. Next topic is coast, peninsulas, bays and islands. So students, what is a coast? Yes, a place where land meets the sea is called a coast. Some coasts are sandy and straight, others are rocky. Is that clear? The remaining part we will see in the next class. Now we will do some questions, objective questions. Are you all ready? Yes? First question is, fill in the blanks. The dash plateau is known as the roof of the world. Just now I had explained. The options are Tibetan, Deccan, Colorado, Columbia. Yes, which is the correct answer? Yes, Tibetan. Next, dash are flat lands with gentle slopes. Yes, what is the answer? The options are valley, plains, coast, plateau. Yes. Yes, plains. Next question. The Khyber Pass in the Himalayas connects dash and dash. This we had seen in our previous class. Do you remember? Yes, the options are Afghanistan and China, Afghanistan and Nepal, Afghanistan and Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bhutan. What is the correct answer? Yes, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Next question is, say true or false. First one, deserts have extreme temperatures. True or false? Just now we learned, isn't it? Yes? What is the correct answer? True. Next one. The Kalahari Desert lies in Europe. True or false? Yes, false. Third one. The Deccan Plateau in South India covers almost the entire Indian peninsula. Yes, you know the answer, I know. True. Next question, multiple choice questions. The Colorado Plateau lies in dash. The options are Southern Africa, North Africa, South America, the USA. Yes, you know the USA, correct. Colorado Plateau lies in the USA. Next one, the northern plains of India and the prairies of the USA produces large amount of dash. Yes, wheat and other grains, bajra and other grains, jowar and other grains, rice and other grains. What is the correct answer? You know. Yes, wheat and other grains. Next is name the following. Mountains formed by splitting and sliding of large blocks of land. You know, yes. Block mountains. Good. A plateau in India? Yes, Deccan Plateau. A desert in India? Yes, Thar Desert. Children, the remaining part of this lesson will be continued in the next class. Children, do you remember in the previous video I had explained you about an activity? Do you remember? That is map plotting. You had to plot the places on a map. Do you remember? Okay. You also have an activity to do, that is drawing. You have to draw two. You have to draw two pictures. Okay, I'll just explain you. The first one is fold mountains. So this is the picture given in your textbook. In that you all have textbook, isn't it? So this is given in the textbook. So what you will do, you will draw this and you will write the name here. Write the name also. Okay, you'll name it. The next one is block mountains. So you will draw this also and you will write the name. Is that clear? Students, is that clear? You will draw these two mountains, that is fold mountains and block mountains, and keep it ready. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.